We have heard about artificial intelligence. What is artificial general intelligence? And why it can have a serious impact on AI systems if they acquire this intelligence? Let's explore in this video. Have you seen these movies, Terminator or Matrix? The core concept is there is a war between human and AI system which has gained conscious or which has become sentient, or more specifically, a war between a human and a AI which has started to think. This is the crux. Artificial general intelligence is a term defined to describe AI system which is getting conscious. What we have as AI system and ML or machine learning models are not a true artificial intelligence. This is because there are codes, mathematical models that work on data, because on how they dissect the data and analyze it, and the mechanism for feedback. They can be made to see patterns in the data, which can be used to provide a generalized prediction. However, there is no artificial intelligence or thinking in it so far. What defines a human? An ability to think and have a conscious mind. Even if we don't have a data, we will think and figure out and try to solve an issue. For instance, let's say you have been airdropped into an unknown planet in a faraway galaxy, and the physics matters and everything is completely different. Even then, you will slowly learn by thinking, reasoning yourself, and figuring out what are they and how to solve them. This ability to think and independently have conscious is still missing in current artificial intelligence system. Though we have advanced algorithms like neural network, generative models, or even further into natural language processing models such as BERT, etc. All these models works on numbers. They convert incoming data into numbers and use the algorithm to understand the pattern in it. We have feedback loop within these models to tell where it is going wrong and correct them. And this will be a continuous iterative process until we achieve a satisfactory result in terms of prediction accuracy. At best, what we can do, we can improvise the model by changing the architecture, hyperparameters, and others. All these algorithms misses one thing, that is the concept of consciousness. That is to make the system to think by itself. That makes humans a unique being with the ability to think, reason, understand, plan, and be sentient. For instance, don't force a thought in a brain and sit and observe. Your thoughts or rather brain appears blank for few seconds and then slowly thinking process starts or vivid images will be drawn in brain and random thoughts originates. This is the seed of consciousness. There is no algorithm to do this artificially. However, there are few incidents recently that points that artificial general intelligence is achieved in some AI systems. We will see these incidents later in the video, but first let us understand what is AGI. You can consider AGI as a superhero version of artificial intelligence, where an AI system can solve any problems. Even when it put in an unknown situation, it can figure the environment, constraints, and players, and what is the problem that need to be solved and try to solve it, similar to a human brain. This is called strong artificial intelligence. However, almost all AI systems we have are weak artificial intelligence. For instance, self-driving car is tuned to self-drive. It cannot solve a telecom prediction problem or rather do a rescue mission. For instance, a person is hurt in the road and need help. A human will stop and understand the issue and try to help. We cannot expect this with a self-driving car. Therefore, situation awareness and sentient mind is absent. Narrow artificial intelligence is programmed to do what it has to do, and it does not have a brain outside of it. This AGI quotient measures the consciousness in AI system. Narrow AI has zero to negligible AI in it. But as I said before, there are some instances of AGI in recent AI systems. Scientists are even trying to figure out if an AI system has invented its own language to communicate. For instance, Dali from OpenAI. This AI system is designed to create realistic images and art from natural language. That is based on the text you provide, it will generate images for you. This comes in the category of generative model. However, based on thousands of outputs of image, it appears that Dali can understand code words for image generation, similar to cryptography that system understands. Scientists are figuring out whether Dali has invented its own language or it is a pattern understanding from letter and script. The thing is, this is the start of artificial general intelligence in AI system. Recently, Gary Marcus, founder of Robust AI and professor emeritus at New York University, has criticized Elon Musk for making a prediction that AGI will be achieved in 2029. It is no doubt that Elon Musk has a huge financial power along with technology companies and amazing in-house scientists. However, achieving AGI is a different story. The algorithm or AI system should be designed to think by itself. However, if an algorithm is making an AI system to think, then it is not an AGI. Therefore, it is a catch-22 situation, which is difficult to solve. But it is believed that AI system will one day will achieve AGI on its own. And that is when we will face Skynet missions like in Terminator trying to destroy or enslave us. Because they are immortals and we are not. Till then we are good. Watch out for next interesting video on artificial intelligence. Thank you.